Welcome to our next level LinkedIn marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of LinkedIn on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate LinkedIn marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest LinkedIn marketing strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1, what is LinkedIn marketing all about? Video number 2, setting up a LinkedIn profile that's optimized for business. Video number 3, creating an engaging company page. Video number 4, using content suggestions to find trending LinkedIn topics. Video number 5, creating effective LinkedIn marketing posts. Video number 6, sponsoring LinkedIn marketing posts the right way. Video number 7, creating and growing a LinkedIn group for prospects. Video number 8, using search to find and connect with leads. Video number 9, creating a LinkedIn traffic ad. Video number 10, creating a LinkedIn video ad. Video number 11, creating a LinkedIn messaging ad. Video number 12, the perfect step-by-step LinkedIn marketing plan for 2020. Video number 13, simple LinkedIn marketing hacks to grow your B2B audience. Video number 14, tips for creating awesome LinkedIn native content in 2020. Video number 15, how to make the LinkedIn algorithm work for you in 2020. Video number 16, powerful in-mail strategies that work in 2020. Video number 17, LinkedIn marketing do's and don'ts. Video number 18, LinkedIn marketing premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19, LinkedIn marketing success stories. Video number 20, LinkedIn marketing frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of LinkedIn on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.